What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can probably already tell by the title of the video, I have something very exciting, at least for me, that I've been waiting for a really long time. And that's because the wheels that I ordered probably like a month or so ago finally just came in. Sad part is only 2 out of the 4 came in, just because something happened during the mailing process where they got shipped back to the carrier or the person who sent them to me. So I had a, basically 2 out of the 4 wheels are here. The other 2 are still on the way, but at least some of them are here. So I decided, why not make a video of this? And yeah, it's crazy. So I'm just gonna go. I don't know. Let's just get right to it. I want to unbox these already. I've been waiting so long to get them, and yeah, let me know what you guys think about the wheels, stuff like that. Yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so I just unboxed the wheels right now, and I'm just looking at them, and Jesus, my gosh, man. These wheels look so nice. At least to me, they look nice. For the ones who don't know, this is actually going to be our first set of 3-piece wheels that I own. So, I don't know. Honestly, I've never seen these wheels. I've personally never ever seen these wheels run. That's why I kind of like them. It was kind of like unique. But yeah. Alright, enough, you know. Oh my god, they're nice. Alright, enough. Let me show you guys the wheels. So there you guys have it. I ended up going with work Kent style wheels. I had honestly never heard about these wheels like my entire life. I had never seen them at any meets or shows or anything like that, so I didn't even know what to expect, but they caught my eye. I had been searching, I had been looking on Instagram and online and stuff like that for wheels, because I had been shopping for wheels, and these caught my eye. So yeah, it sucks because I just realized right now that they sent, since I got a staggered setup, I got 19s by 9 and then 19s by 8. I can't really, I can still mount the tires on them already, but I can't put them on the car just yet because it's gonna be kind of funky. But yeah, man, that's crazy. I'm so excited, if you guys can't tell already. Yeah, and then oh yeah, big shout out to Wheels Gang. That's their IG. That's where I bought them from, or wheelsgang.com if you guys want to check out their wheels. Pretty inexpensive wheels for 3-piece and stuff like that. And yeah, I can't get over them. I'm so happy. I want to test fit them on the car, but I don't know if I should. Probably should. Yeah, so basically, if you guys want to get a look of probably how they're gonna look, obviously I haven't thrown them on, but damn, it's crazy. The only thing I'm scared about is that Mazdas, I mean, at least because I have another set of wheels, and I was actually gonna run them in the meantime while I was waiting, but when I test fitted them on, I actually hit the brake caliper. So now the ones that I'm gonna run the front are high disc, so hopefully I won't have any problems with that, but we'll see. Then I might have to end up getting my fenders rolled, because I mean, they're not as wide, but I mean, 9s are still pretty wide, so who knows, we'll see. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this week's video. If you guys made it to the end, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And yeah, big shout out to Wheels Gang. It took them a while for the wheels to get here, but that's only because they're based out in Russia and the whole coronavirus thing. So probably about like a month or so. It's not too bad. It's definitely worth the wait. Let me know what you guys think about the wheels down in the comments below. And yeah, hopefully by the next video or two I can get these mounted on. It all just basically depends on when the other wheels come in. But yep, like I said earlier, thanks for watching, guys, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.